today we are going to talk about how to hire for your social media marketing agency. Hey guys, I hope that you are doing well. My name is Selim Shemi, and for an entire year, I'm doing one YouTube video per day on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can just, ask it in the YouTube comments or on Instagram. Every Friday, I'm doing a poll on my story, and you can answer it with your question, and I will do a video about it, during the following week, all right? Depending on how much question there are. So today we are going to talk about how to hire for your social media marketing agency. All right, I got this answer. I think it was on Instagram or on YouTube. I will put it in the video. So let's get right into it. All right, so I'm in my computer right now, and what we are going to do is we are going on Upwork. All right, so this is the website that I love to to use. I love to go on Upwork because Upwork is just so effective. The question that has been asked to me was, if I'm in France, but it's everywhere in the world you can use Upwork, all right? No matter where you are in the world, you can find somebody on Upwork to work for your agency so that you can outsource, the work. You can outsource the ads, you can outsource Instagram, you can outsource just anything, all right? Depending on what your agency is providing. So, for example, here, what we are going to do is you're going on Upwork, all right? You create an account. You have two types of account. You have the client type, and you have also the freelancer type, all right? So the freelancer is you are going to, to provide services for other people. If you are, and you should be on Upwork, all right? Your agency should be on Upwork. So, for example, you should have an agency account on Upwork. It costs $20 per month, and you should be on Upwork. You should try to get also clients from all sources, also on Upwork, right? And you can also have the client type where here you are hiring, all right? So I have both, as you can see. And what we are going to do is we are going to post a job first, all right? So I'm going to post a job. The first question is short-term or dedicated long-term work. So whether or not, for example, if you have, if you're looking for Facebook ads, all right, if you're looking for long-term job, for a contractor that will provide Facebook ads for a lot of your clients that you want to work with him long-term, then you will probably choose dedicated long-term work. If it's just for 1 month, 3 months projects, you maybe put short-term or part-time work. So let's suppose that I'm looking for a Facebook ads contractor. I'm going to put dedicated long-term work, all right? I put continue. So the first thing is the name of your job. And you can put something funny, like you don't have to be extremely serious on this. For example, I always put looking for, and then what you're looking. So I love to put, when I looked for a Facebook ads contractor, I put looking for a Facebook ad ninja. All right, so you just put a title for the job post, right? Then you choose the category, so social media marketing. Next, good description. So now it's the time to be really clear on what you want, right? You need to be clear on what you want because the contractor, like, have empathy. Put yourself in the place of the contractor. He needs to know why it work for you, and what should he expect, all right, by working with you. Just explain the project in just very clearly, like in most possible details as possible, all right? I don't know if it's English what I just said, but you understand me, right? So basically what we want to be doing is just what the deliverable is, type of freelancer or agency you're looking for. So basically you can choose, all right, if you want to work with a freelancer with freelancers or with agencies. And if you're starting, I really recommend you, of course, to work with freelancers because the cost of an agency is more expensive, obviously. And anything unique about the project or team, all right? Upwork explains that very well. So just be very, very precise. You can add project files here. You can add just image, just everything you can to describe the project, all right? We are just going to, all right, 50 characters. So obviously I'm going to go a little bit fast here, guys. All right, next. So then once you described the job, you will have details. So is it a one-time project or is it an ongoing project? So as I told you, if you are looking for a Facebook ads contractor, it will be an ongoing project. Then you have questions. So here, for the questions, it's really important that you ask questions that are relevant and that will help you actually to make your choice. For example, you can ask, how much experience do you have? What is your portfolio? Just, a lot of questions. And the more the better, actually, because the people that will be lazy will not answer all of the questions. And, that's a great indicator. So put a lot of questions. Put a lot of time into it, all right? So again, we will be asking some questions. For example, do you have any questions about the job description? Upwork is so complete. Like, just look at this. Just look at all of the questions there is, all right? What else? What else is good? Did you manage Facebook ads? Okay, all right. That was one of my questions. Did you manage Facebook ads for e-com businesses before? Can you show us some clients that you helped? Did you manage Facebook ads for e-com businesses? If yes, how it went? I did a lot of things. Did you manage Instagram accounts before? How many budget? All right, in dollars or euros? So this is all of my questions. So add these questions. All right, what is missing? And it will be an ongoing project. Next. Then again, expertise. We want Facebook advertising here. We want build lookalike audience, just pixel setup. All right, just everything that you need, right? Ad format, not very important, but if you are just working in video ads, then this will be important. Text ads, if you are looking for a copywriter, also, a Facebook guy contractor that can also do copywriting. Business size experience, it's optional, all of this. Additional skills like retargeting is very important for me. Also, what else? Yeah, you can just put anything that you want here. Like I would put retargeting because retargeting is extremely important. All right, now we only want to work with Upwork talents. One freelancer, well, you will need just one contractor, so we will put one freelancer. And you can also invite freelancers or agencies, right? So this is very good. We are going to click on next now. So I like to pay a fixed price. And what I like to put for my contractors is usually I will pay my contractors 30% of a project, and my fees are minimum. It's minimum like 2.5K per month, so 2,500 per month euros, and so I'm going to give my contractor 30% of this, and if it's 2.5K per month, then that would be 750 per month maximum. So maximum, what I will put here is I will start a little bit lower. All right, I will put 650 so that if I can go up to 800, but I like to put a smaller number. Just the risk is that you can like some freelancers will run maybe, but like if you're starting, you can put, I recommend you to put a lower, just a little bit lower. So even here I might put 700, right? But I will not put something very high from the beginning. I will just interview people, tell them, look, here is my budget, and if they negotiate, I'm like, okay, I can go up to 800. So it gives me power in the negotiations as well. So here we'll put 650. I always put expert, all right? Always expert, you don't want intermediate or entry. And yeah, after you will get proposal and you will interview people, all right? You will interview a lot, thousands of people. For just to find one guy, interview a lot of people, because this is, especially if you're looking for a Facebook ad contractor, and Facebook, like the service delivery is so important for your agency, right? So yeah, this is, we are just, and then this is just a recap, and then you can post your job and wait, for the proposal of the freelancers, and then you can interview people and message them. All right, so that's about it. And then if you want, so once you posted your job, you can go on Upwork and look for freelancers. So for the freelancers, we are going to look only for freelancers, all right, not agencies, freelancers. And then as you can see, you have a lot of filters. So that's why I love so much Upwork. For example, if I see 81%, this is a no-go for me. I will put minimum 80% and up, all right, in the filters. I don't, even early amount is so important for me. Like, I will never work with somebody that has made just $100 with Upwork. I want somebody that made at least 10K, all right? I want somebody with experience. And then you see, you can find, you find people that are just great at Facebook ads. You get on an interview with them and you ask them, hey, my company is doing this and this and this. I'm looking for a long-term relationship with the contractor. All right, so I hope that it helped, guys. That was about it for this video. Again, if you have any questions, you can ask me on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me and my YouTube channel. If you're looking to start your own social media marketing agency, I've put a 1-hour free online training. The link is in the description, so you can watch it and it will help you to start your own digital agency. So take care, and I will see you in another video.